one of our sample exhibition halls. Its main products are miniature planetary roller screws, ground ball screws, stepper motors, and linear actuators. This product is our RCP series linear actuator, which is fully enclosed. The advantage of this product is that it has strong resistance to dust, especially in the 3C semiconductor and photovoltaic fields. Next, this is our company's featured product, miniature ball screws. This is a product that we have been developing since our company was established. So far, we have over 15 years of R&D experience in this product, and we are still developing ball screws with smaller diameters, like 1.8 millimeters. And at present, we often manufacture ball screws with diameters from 3 to 20 millimeter. In addition, our miniature linear guide rails are often used in our linear actuator products, as well as our standard stock product, the HST series built-in linear actuator. We are also producing it in large quantities so that we can offer our customers the best possible delivery time.